What do you reckon? Huh? Hey, I've been on a plane. Yeah, really. I've just gotten home. I am going to get unready. Feel disgusting, and so I thought I would take you along the journey with a very excited ham, take off all the makeup and find myself planted on the couch watching Friends again. So come along. I've been on 3 planes in the last 24 hours, and I know. Get out of your sister. Oh, I can't tell you why I was in Melbourne, but I can tell you it was to do with my day job, very related to kind of what I do here. I was doing like a photo shoot, but it was so much fun. I'm deliriously tired. Worth it. Is it good? The cleansing balm. Do you like it? Comes with a little spoon. One of Steve's beard hairs is in there. It's disgusting. I should use that bit. Delicious. Ham. I can't be healthy. Don't lick it. Don't lick it! He doesn't like the tap on. Why's that top layer sort of cleaned off? You're just licking me. Squalene. I don't actually know what squalene is. It smells like something. It's not a bad smell. It smells like butthole. No, I'm kidding. Looking a lot better. You can stay there just for a bit until you calm down. Freshen up cleanser. I love the Bondi Sand stuff. Is that nose crease? Steve comes out into the bedroom and I'm like, please scan, I can see all my little marks. But they're angry because I've covered them up all day. An ADHD girl, caffeine addiction. I'm getting medicated, I promise. Are we joining now? Vitamin C and collagen facial mist, which is just orange water. Bondi Sands thirsty skin. Look at his little pants. Hello. Hello. These like, oh, that's weird. These are probably the most bougie thing. I literally just jam these into my eye socket, just like. Eye cream, eye gel. We have to moisturize. I love these. Bye. So that is basically the face done. But that is me skincare. I look good. Look good. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Such a good boy. Bye.